So in this video we have installed a Sony AX-3200 in the Civic. So as you see, everything looks very neat. The blue lights matches with the system very well. Apart from that, we have also connected the headlight switch. If I turn on the headlight, the player dims. See. We have also installed reverse camera DH04 in this car. Look at the clarity, and the lines are very much like aligned. So apart from that, we have also connected a live wire to the camera, so even if you are in motion and if you hit the rear view button, the camera will start showing the rear view. The USB port is here. There is one pigtail to connect the wire of Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. The mic has been retained, the OEM mic has been retained. Apart from that, we have also retained the rear switch, the center control from the arm, that also we have retained.